Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the DEWALT DWS774-QS XPS 1400W Mitre Saw. This powerhouse features a new 1400-watt motor, perfect for cutting through all materials with ease. The XPS shadow line cut indicator means fast, accurate alignment of the blade while illuminating your workpiece. No adjustments needed. With improved dust extraction efficiency and precision machined base and fence, you can tackle the toughest jobs with confidence. The new headlock function makes transportation a breeze, while integrated positive miter stops at 15 degree, 22.5 degree, 30 degree, and 45 degrees ensure quick adjustments. Experience huge cutting capacity in a compact design, ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Get your DEWALT DWS774-QS XPS 1400W Mitre Saw today and elevate your projects to the next level.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.